So yun, good day mga ropa. Yung guest pala natin came from South Africa. So yan, sisimulan natin silang itour, ilibot sa loob ng Intramuros gamit ang ating Philippine Lamborghini Natural Air Condition. Okay, sit and relax lang habang nanonood. So ma'am, in the middle, if they use this place for events, photo shoot, wedding reception.
Okay.
But this area have a cut off for 4:30 in afternoon.
Okay.
But when they have event, they open all the lanterns in evening.
Oh, I see. So beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what you're gonna see here, ma'am, this one, the circular shape.
Okay.
This is a former watchtower.
Okay.
So this is the defense to the bay side of Intramuros. To not easily invaded by the pirates, they used that tower before during Spanish time.
Okay.
Then all of that golf course was formerly surrounded by water, Moat City.
Okay.
So when you go up, you're gonna go here, you're gonna see the circular shape, and walk over here, you're gonna see the golf course. Then this is the exit.
I see.
Okay, I'll wait you at our Lamborghini parking.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
enjoy.
Alright, thank you
Have
so
a nice
much.
day. Our next place, San Agustin Church and Casa Manila. Yeah, Casa Manila, Spanish house. Always watch your head because Lamborghini is Filipino size.
Okay.
My guest from South Africa. Hi. Stamina mina, waka waka, So, andito kami ngayon sa San Agustin Church. Isa sa pinakamatandang simbahan sa buong Pilipinas. Itinatag to noong 1571. So we are now here at Casa Manila, house of the rich Spanish during their time. So all of their furniture and stuff was still inside because that's museum. That's the showcase of their furniture and stuff during their time. So ma'am, sir, I hope you enjoying our tour.
Yes, yeah. Lots of fun. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
what you gonna say on our tour?
It's beautiful.
Very good. And I like that it's quick and you're telling us everything that we need to know. So thank you.
Also good photographer?
Yes, very good, Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber, very good driver and photographer.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.